Good, very good. This is Lupe from 5 Acres, and I really highly want to recommend Omar. He customized our program today, our magic show today, to meet the wit and the the mental challenges of some of our kids at 5 Acres. And what he did is he did a lot of funny jokes at the same time he was doing magic, so he kept that going, and the kids went ahead and followed it every minute of it. And even some of the older kids that are usually quite cynical, they actually got closer and closer. And the group was quite noisy and boisterous and really interactive. So it was a fair exchange. It was a good exchange, and I highly recommend him. He's coming back. Omar is coming back. I highly recommend him.